India ki integrity amasung unity da Shingnarakpa Khudingmak Chap Chana Thengnaduna MATIK CHABA Paokhum Pigani HAINA Manipur ki Chief Minister NONGTHOMBAM BIREN PHONGDORAKLI Herbert School ki Silver Jubilee Celebration da saruk yaraba matung Mizoram ki Chief Minister na Chinku ki jogi tonganba leibak ama semnabagi matangda phongdokkiba wafam amaga mari leinana Paumi singna hangba wang amagi paokhum moina wafam asi mangna phongdokkibani Paumi singna hangba wang amagi paokhum piraduna Chief Minister NONGTHOMBAM BIREN hai Mizoram gi Chief Minister na phongdokkiba wafam adugi matangda thoidokna react tongningba leiti adubu India gi chauthok chaningai oiba citizen amoina amade Manipur gi Chief Minister amoina thamningba wafam de kanagumba amatana India amade Manipur gi integrity da khud thingjenba yaroi maramdi India si apikpa amasung tarai na lawba yaba leibang nate Chaukraba leibag asida leiriba miyam asi Indian namo oibage chauthok chaniribani Matang asida mahaki oiba phirepti India gi integrity amasung unity gi dama khongpham chena lepkani mapangal kanba India ama semgatpada mateng pangba haibasi aikhoi gi thodangni masida Shingnarakpa Khudingmak Chap Chana Thengnaduna MATIK CHABA Paokhum Pigani HAINA Chief Minister NONGTHOMBAM BIREN makha tana phongdokhi
I don't want to comment reacting on him, but you see, as a proud Indian and as a Chief Minister of Manipur, as a nationalist, I'll tell, no one can touch India's integrity. No one can touch Manipur integrity because, you know, India is not a mere country. India is a big country and we should be proud being an Indian. And others, particularly or personally, I don't want to comment to basis on anybody's comment, but my stand is very clear. We will stand for India. We will stand for the unity and integrity of the Bharat. Bharat को एकता रखना, strong रखना, ये अपने काम है और जो भी इसमें जो भी चैलेंज करेगा उसको हम डिफीटिंग रिप्लाई देंगे